We need to talk. Okay, look, we're entering the end game for crypto right now. We're in May at the time I'm recording this video, and I believe that we are entering the last 6 months of possibly seeing all-time highs. I want to tell you guys something. A lot of people right now are still bearish. They're doom and gloom. They think everything's done. We are entering the next 6 months of midterms, Clarity Act, and all-time highs. If the Republicans don't win midterms, which they have control of everything right now, if they can't pass the Clarity Act, if we don't see all-time highs, I really don't know what the next few years are going to look like. And the reason why I say that is because they have made it a point. They are holding prices down right now until the Clarity Act passes. And if they don't have control, there's no way in fuck the Clarity Act passes. That's not me guessing. That is literally from the wolf's mouth. That's literally from the White House advisor saying that, yeah, crypto prices are going to rocket like a spaceship after the Clarity Act passes. So I don't know how you can read it any other way. And I'm telling you, we are in the end game. Here's what we have going for us. If you guys haven't followed me, I'm about to launch my new product, which is That stands for something. I haven't launched the name at the time of this video. If I have, I'll throw it up here. But it's an app that literally does everything in crypto. I mean, everything that you're thinking of when you think of what I just said, it does, okay? And right now, I'm telling you, the whales are buying. Right now, I'm telling you, the billionaires are cashing in. Right now, I'm telling you, things are probed for an all-time high. The money is sitting there. It's waiting. But most people, including myself, are waiting for that green light. Something has to happen, right? Because stock market's at all-time highs. Crypto's still near the fucking lows. We have not really had a great year in crypto. And when you have people like Eric Trump saying that there's about to be a fucking gold rush in crypto, the next crypto rush is coming. When you have people like Donald Trump going on air and saying, yeah, we have to do big things for the crypto industry, but we're still at bottoms, it really just makes you think like, what's about to happen? We've been waiting for such a long time, and I know people are sick of waiting. We've been waiting since October. We were at all-time highs in October. It's May now. We've been waiting for that next move. Confirmation of something. I really think you should be paying attention to this summer. Something has to give. The Clarity Act has to pass. According to these people, it's the only way the prices are going to go up. Maybe that's manipulation. Maybe that's them gaslighting us. But that is literally what they're saying. Is that true? Who fucking knows? Could we go to all-time highs even if it doesn't pass us? Sure. I mean, we've done all-time highs before without it. But is their game to manipulate us so much to the point where they literally just hold prices down until they get what they want with this Clarity Act? Because that's the way it's sounding to me. I don't know, man. So yeah, it's going to be a crazy few months. I'm just telling you guys to pay the fuck attention. If I were a betting man, which I guess I bet every single day when it comes to trading, I would bet at all-time highs coming this year. I don't see a reality where if all three of those things are done, that we don't see all-time highs. I mean, imagine clarity comes. Imagine, they win the midterms with everything still looking dog shit as it is right now. I just don't see it happening. Crypto has been in shambles for sure. I mean, it's definitely not the biggest crash that we've ever seen, but it's not perfect, right? Like there's been a ton of problems and people are getting to that point where they're sick of waiting. But again, I've said it in every single major video I've posted. We did this exact same move in 2021 where we went down for around 6 months. We went up for around 6 months, went down around the same amount of percentages as well as we've done this cycle. I don't know. It's weird. Let me know what you guys think. I really want to understand where the retail mind is right now. Do you think that we're bullish? Are we bearish? Are we going to see all-time highs this year? Are you less confident in seeing that? I don't know. And I encourage you guys to be on the Instagram. I post all my plays there. And by the time you're watching this, we are literally days away from launching the craziest app you're ever going to see. When I tell you, you've never seen anything like what we're about to drop. The power that you're going to have on your phone after we drop this, incredible. So yeah, love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully we're at all-time highs soon.